Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over a quick guide on how to access Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a substitute for Microsoft Excel, so if you're pretty familiar with Excel, you'll do great with Google Sheets. Google Sheets, just like Google Docs and Google Slides, you can access anywhere that you're signed in with your Gmail account. Anything you do in Google Sheets saves automatically to your Google Drive, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. Before I begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's just jump right into it. First thing, make sure you're signed into your Google account, which I am already signed in. At the top here, click on Google Apps. Scroll down until you see Sheets. It's a green piece of paper. Click on that. Right here, you'll be presented with the Google Sheets, default page. You can do a blank page, a to-do list, a budget, a monthly budget, or a calendar. I'm just going to do a blank page for now. All right, so this is Google Sheets. Looks exactly like Excel. Has everything that you need to do that you would do in Excel. You can name your spreadsheet. So let's just name it test. You have your tool options up here, your toolbar. You have your file, your edit, your view, your insert. You can insert rows, charts, images, drawings. In format, you can change your format to a bold, italic, underline. You can change the font size. You can change your data by sort sheet by column. You can create a filter. Yeah, so it's pretty much similar to Microsoft Excel. You can put your values in these boxes. If you wanted to share your Google Sheet file, you can. If you click on Share and you type in an email address, and you hit Send, the recipient will get your spreadsheet that you wish to share. So yeah, so that's pretty much the basics. It was, just like Docs and Slides. Nothing too complicated. If you're used to Excel, you won't have any problems with this. So if you created your spreadsheet, you wanted to go back to the spreadsheet default page, just click on Sheets Home, top left-hand corner. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to show you guys. I'm just going to create something really quick. I may have saved, but just type a couple numbers, name my spreadsheet. As you can see, it'll say saving, all changes saved in Drive. I just typed a couple numbers up here, named it test. I'm going to click on Sheets Home. As you can see, it saved for the first document that we created, but it also saved the second. You can click on the spreadsheets that you created, and it will open them. Go back here, click on the second document that I created. All right, so that's the one with the numbers that I created second time around. So if you want to go way back to your Google Drive, just click on Sheets Home and click on these three lines that say Main Menu. From here, you will see Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. Click on Drive for me, and it'll take you right to your Google Drive. And it will show all the documents that you saved, if it was Docs, if it was Slides, if it was Sheets. Anything that you started, it'll be saved right here under Quick Access. It shows the two spreadsheets that I've created. So I'm just going to right click on each one and hit Remove, just so I can delete them. I don't have to hang around. All right, so now my drive is empty. So yeah, so that's pretty much just a basic overview of sheets. You know, very identical to Excel. So, yeah, you shouldn't have any problems. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.